Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see cube numbers of 1 to 10. Cube numbers of 1 to 10 is very essential for quick mental maths, geometry, algebra and finding the type of the number pattern. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 10 cube 1000. If you are going to spare 10 minutes to memorize this 10 cube numbers, it will save your 1000 minutes of preparation. It will help you to finish the exam within the time frame. Just let us see. For example, x cube minus 64. Factorize x cube minus 64. 64 means 8 square. That only we know. 64 2 power 6 also. That some of them may know that. 64 is 4 cube. Okay. We will think that it is maybe x square minus 64, x plus 8 or x minus 8, like that. X cube minus 64 is x cube minus 4 cube. Okay, then we can easily factorize. Most of them know that formula. A cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, x cube minus 4 cube is x minus 4 x square plus 4x plus 16. Okay, a cube minus b cube, a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So 64 is 4 cube. 4 cube 64. For example, 125 minus x cube. How to do it? 25 minus x square we can do 5 plus x, 5 minus x. What is 125? 125 is nothing, it is 5 cube. 5 cube minus x cube. So what is this? 5 minus x, 25 plus 5x plus 20 plus x square, right? Okay. So 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. Okay. Edge of this cube is 6. What is this volume of the cube? 6 cube. Okay. Volume of the cube is 8 cube. Here 6. 6 cube is 216. 216. So till now what we learnt? 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216. Have you noticed one thing? 4 means 4, 5 last digit is 5, 6 last digit is 6. Okay, all the number will come? No, not like that. For example, 2 cube 8. 2 cube is 8. 8 cube 512. You see, this digits 2 and 8 interchanged. 2 cube is 8. 8 cube 512. Okay. The same way 12 cube is also like that, it will come. Last digit will be 8. 18 cube is also last digit will be 2. Okay. We are going to memorize only 1 to 10 cube. Okay. 2 cube, 8 cube. Then 3 cube 27. If it is 3, it ends with 7. 7 cube 343. 343. 3 cube is 27. 7 cube 343. You see, it is in between 2, 3, 4. Last digit is, for 7 it is 3, for 3 it is 7. For 2 it is 8, for 8 it is 2. Just all I am telling to memorize only, just all. For 8 cube, 8 is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 2. 512. This is one small memorization. recalls. Okay, 8 cube is 512. Okay, so we did until now. How 7 cube is 343? What is 7 squared? 7 squared is 49. Okay, 49 times 7 we may feel little difficult. 50 times 7 is what? 350. 350 minus 7 for, because 49 is 50 minus 1. 350 minus 7 is 343. Okay, 3 cube is 27. Okay, memorized? Now 64, 125, 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube 512. Okay, good. Another one, the same way it will end. 1 cube is 1. Okay. 11 cube is also 1331. It will end with the same one only. 9 cube 729. How 8 cube is 512. 5 plus 1 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 cube 7 plus 2 9. 9. Okay. 9 cube is 729. Okay. 729 is very famous number. It is 27 squared. It is 9 cube. It is 3 power 6. It will be very helpful. 729. The same way 512. Why 512? 512 is 8 cube. 2 power 9. 2 power 9. Okay. 64 is 8 squared. 4 power 3, 2 power 6. Okay. Okay. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube 27. 4 cube 64. 5 cube 125. 6 cube 216. 7 cube 343. 350 minus 7. 8 cube 512. 5 plus 1 plus 2 is 8. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube 729. 7 plus 2 is also 9, 9 is 9. 9 cube, 7 to 9. 7 to 9 is 27 squared. 9 cube, 3 power 6. 512 is 8 cube, 2 power 6. 2 power 9. Okay. For example, 64, comma 125, comma, they gave one space. What is this? 216. Okay, because it is a 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube. Okay, indices, it will be very helpful to you. 343 divided by 512 power 2 over 3. How you will do? 343 over 512. Without calculator you have to use it. What is 343? 343, whenever you see, you have to remember, you have to recall it is 7 cube. 512, you can say 2 power 9 also, but in cube is there, so 512 is 8 cube. 2 over 3. 7 over 8 cube times 2 over 3. 49 over 64. You got it? 7 over 8 whole square. 49 over 64. Okay. For example, 729 divided by 125 power 1 over 3. What you will do? 729 is 9 cube. 125, 5 cube. Cancel. 9 over 5. Okay. I repeat. 1 cube is 1, everyone knows. 2 cube 8. 3 cube 27. Okay, 3 cube 27. 4 cube 64. 64 is also 8 squared, 2 power 6. 5 cube 125. 6 cube 216. 7 cube 343. 8 cube 512. 512 is 2 power 9 also. 9 cube 729. It is a 27 square. It is 3 power 6, 10 cube, very simple, 1000. Okay. Now find the number pattern. Okay, tell me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 250, 432. This is a question mark. 1024. What is this number? Guess it out and respond to me. I will give the one hint. It is involving with the cube numbers. Okay, I need your response in the comment box. What will be this number? Thank you for watching. Keep growing.